Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm talking about the Miele wall oven. I'll give you a quick overview, kind of what I like, some things that stand out and really make it an amazing oven. So get low with me, let's go. All right, first and foremost, the gray on glass, I love the look of this, with the touchscreen, especially in the whole Miele family. It's just very, very nice and easy. The door option, which is a game changer, resets back. If you have your hands full, this is ideal to use. So I love this. Sorry, let me let this down. Really cool interior down here. A lot of glass here, but like this Duracoat finishes, so very nice and easy to clean. The rollout racks are a dream. Twin fan convection in here, which we love. Great chef's light on the top, and I removed the roast probe, but this is where the roast probe lives. So the roast probe is a radio transmitter one, so it sits right there on the door. That's super nice and easy. I'm gonna close this one up, okay? So let's jump right into operating modes. And Miele took a lot of time, and they took a ton of steps in here to bring out this wall oven. So our standard convection bake and roast, the bake's gonna be for the pies and the cakes. Our roast is gonna be for our Thanksgiving turkey, holiday hams, that big stuff. The surround is really gonna be roast without the convection. So top and bottom heat only for that special cookie. Moisture Plus is a great one too. So you can add Moisture Plus with the auto roast, kind of convection roast, any type of setting. So that really, in the installation, if you hook it up to a water line, it will put 3 bursts of steam in there. So you could either do it manually or set it up automatically to put bursts of steam in that wall oven. So, if you're sold on steam, but like you don't have the steam, or you need the wall oven, or you just need, want a little bit of the steam, you still have that factored here. It really turns out amazing in the bread section of this. So, there's all kind of Moisture Plus options. So really intensive. We have an auto roast setting that really deals with like Dutch ovens and things like that. Normal bacon browning. And Miele really puts the icons all together to show what's exactly happening. Like even in Max Broil, we're using all 3 broiler elements, whereas in regular broil, we're just using 2. So, picture's worth 1,000 words. Here, really, Miele's taking it down, made it very simple for you. Auto programs is really where it's going to get to kind of plug and play. This is basically, a Chef Anthony in your wall oven. So, you can go anywhere between pastry shop, potatoes, pizza, meats. And what's best about this is, if we do something like meats or something like that, we, select the desired doneness, the internal temperature, and the machine or the wall oven in this case does all the work for us. So it really, leaves all the guesswork out. So if you don't say, oh, I don't know, man, I don't want to refer to my manual, this is the best way to go. Let's go to like pastry shops. So look at that, apple pie, small cheesecakes, brownies, cupcakes, layer cakes. Cookies is always an Achilles heel. 1 tray, 2 trays, Place the food in the oven after the preheating phase. You'll hit okay. So, now start now, or you could do a delayed start. But even now, look, place the cookies in the oven at the desired time. It's done. It's selected the correct setting for you. So you really don't have to worry about anything in the auto. I love that. Special modes are going to give you a little bit more, like warm up cookware, proof. Turn this into a keep warm setting. So, we can actually hold everything hot that's fully cooked. Keep warm's a great one. Now let's turn this into a warming drawer. They have a slow roasting setting as well. Slow roasting is going to be a low temperature for a longer duration. Those tougher cuts of meat, like a pulled pork or racks of ribs, can now be done in the oven with ease. So not only is it giving you a lot of options, it's expanding your culinary arsenal, giving you more to cook, letting you use it more, and picking the settings for you so it's nice and convenient. Okay? Really, special modes is good. My Miele is going to be your tailored Miele. Now favorites, you could add all your favorites in there as well. We even jump to the settings. We can change the language, the time, the displays, all of that stuff goes right here. If you ever have a power outage or something like that, that's really where that's going to live. Self-clean, 1, 2, or 3. I will warn you that when we do self-clean, we need to remove all the racks because they will bend and tarnish, okay? And it will take, a little bit longer of a process. We recommend the lowest setting for the self-clean, the quickest setting out of there. Like even my Miele, we can add any entry we want, add any personal recipe after we get through it for a while. So think about that and really explore the auto programs, explore the automatic programs and the special features in here, and really get up and running to go to the operating modes itself. Miele takes a lot of time and effort to make sure these recipes and everything go well. So hopefully you enjoy your wall oven, love all the properties of it, and use it to its potential and make some amazing meals. Thank you.